but I'm going to a bar class now. I haven't been in like a week because I've just felt kind of like off. We are gonna get back into it, my friends. So I will see you after the workout. I am so mad at myself. I gave myself so much time to get here and then I couldn't freaking find a freaking parking spot because of all this freaking snow. The snow just like eats up parking spots. Valuable, running last minute to my bar class parking spots. Moral of the story, you can't get into a class like even a minute late. So I missed my class, yay. I could just go to my regular gym, but I don't have running shoes. I mean, I ran to the class. Maybe I'll just do a workout at home. I'm gonna need to figure out the lighting in this room because I'm not used to having actual sunlight. So I want to show you guys what I pick up at Target and at Ulta when I go to the States in terms of like makeup and stuff, because I'm a sucker for makeup, especially like affordable, easy, minimalistic stuff, kind of like Glossier. So the first thing that I picked up from Ulta is this really cute Valentine's Day edition thing by ColourPop. It is a lip scrub and a lip balm. I need severely, I probably should have done the lip scrub, but you know what, I'm too lazy to get my butt back up and my stomach is killing me, so. The lip balm is really nice. It smells like something I would have had as like a 5-year-old, but you know what? I always need a lip balm because I lose them constantly, and the lip scrubs are really good size, so I believe this was like $11. I already moisturized and stuff. So I guess this is all Ulta. We will do this first. I also picked up the Pretty Flesh by ColourPop because I was just looking for a good like affordable tinted moisturizer because my skin is always changing colors since I am traveling quite a bit to Florida these days. I'm trying to keep that natural tan vibe alive. So I'd rather not spend like $1 million, even though I love my Dior foundation. It just like matches me 5% of the time, and that's like really not worth it to be dropping so much coin. And this gives you like a really nice natural glow. I feel like this angle is a little less aggressive in the sunlight. We're getting used to things here, people. So yeah, I really like this. It actually lasted me like all day when we were in Buffalo too. I was really surprised. This concealer is nothing new. It's by Milk. The packaging is tragic, but the actual formula of it is amazing. I have a little bit of a blush dilemma because I recently picked up this one by Wet n Wild. It is the something, it's like literally already beat, even though I got it like a month ago. It is stunning. I mixed the highlighter and the blush together and it just gives you the most alive look in the world, which clearly I am very much in need of this time of year. But then when I was just at Ulta the other day, I saw that Milani had a new like liquid blush, which looks like a good dupe for Glossier, and ColourPop had a stick blush. And is that it? Is my blush obsession over? Yeah, usually I don't go off and buy things that I don't really need, but these really caught my attention, so maybe I'll try this first because I'm very curious, and then put this over top. And then we're gonna do the Glossier, I picked this up while I was in New York, the Play highlighter, super, super pretty. And we're gonna mist with this Tower 28 spray, which is almost up. It's actually clean beauty from Sephora, but also pretty affordable. And then bronze with my other beloved Wet n Wild product. Literally, guys, like I'm not even kidding. These are the most bang for your buck products. I freaking love them. I'm just gonna do that so I don't bore you with my words, my unnecessary verbiage this morning. Cream blush scares me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Girl, she is pigmented. This is exactly what I didn't want to happen. Okay, going over the pimples now. At least look kind of blend in, right? I am filming a TikTok today, so I guess we could just embrace the full e-girl look. Brow gel, let's talk about it. Necessity for these brows. I still have not like found my perfect one. I decided to pick up this one by Maybelline while I was in Atlanta, and you know what? It's all right. It's very comparable to the Glossier Boy Brow, honestly. I just got the clear one because I don't really need to add any dimension to my brows. Oh, I knew I had another blush, guys. I have one, I have two, I have three. And then when I was at Ulta, the freaking Valentine's Day packaging got me good with this. So maybe we'll just use this as an eyeshadow today. I was gonna use this e.l.f. thing, but maybe I'm gonna use the transition color and then use these two because I'm not like a big eyeshadow person. I don't want to go too wild, especially with the reds and stuff. I feel like it can make me look like really ill, especially when my skin is this pale. So we're gonna do that instead because I feel like I need to use this. That's it. Alright guys, so that is the look. I popped on the KKW Beauty liner in the shade Nude 0.5. Kim makes a better liner than Kylie. Never thought I'd say it. I'm really not invested in this family, but I just genuinely love this. I like kind of fill in my lips a little bit more, and since they're crusty today, I just went in with the lip balm because I actually really like it and it gives like a nice glossy look. So those are some of the things that I picked up as a sad Canadian without easy access to these things. You know, I went off, but maybe we'll do a different blush every single day this week. Get adventurous with it. I'm gonna go make us some lunch and start editing, and then we're gonna go pick up some chairs later, so I'm super excited about that. Good thing we live in a house of cameras. Thank you to my boyfriend for this. I'm gonna go cook lunch now. It's a very minimal amount of groceries that we have. So, sticking on theme with the sad Canadian wishes she lives in America, for consuming purposes of vlog, I'm going to be making this rice cauliflower stir fry with green peas, red peppers, grilled corn, tamari, spring onion, sesame oil, and ginger from the beloved Trader Joe's. Gonna get to use the new pans. Very excited about that. And yeah, we shall see how this goes. Usually I would probably add like some more veggies to this, like maybe mushrooms would be good. Are there mushrooms in here? No. We don't have any like fresh produce right now. We're living that frozen life because we just got these pans yesterday. Never used one of these like fancy stoves before, so kind of scared. All right, that should be fine. And on the pans, this little sticky came with it, so it advises to do low and medium temperatures so that you don't kind of like ruin the pan, and I guess like over time they could get more sticky and less non-stickier. Is it normal that it really smells like gas? Our table was delivered. It looks freaking huge. How heavy did they say it was? 200 pounds. And Daniel so graciously picked me up a salad for lunch because obviously the stove wasn't working. So we have this salad, which is arugula, cranberries, chickpeas, sunflower seeds, and sweet potatoes. Really, really good. I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna start editing.
Bonjour.
We are off to acquire, hopefully 4 chairs from Facebook Marketplace. This is the first time I've ever bought anything off Facebook Marketplace. You?
Yeah.
You have to pick up cash because obviously most people are going to prefer cash over e-transfer or anything. Hopefully they're in decent condition and they look how we assume them to look. If you guys missed the last vlog, I did like a whole Amazon essentials, some sustainable options in there too. And now we have a baking sheet. You know what though guys, I feel like this is a knockoff. I don't know why. This other one came like in such different packaging. It's kind of weird because the other one was all like 100% non-toxic. That just doesn't say anything, which makes me a little sketched out. But we're gonna wash it and we're gonna see. It's very cute. Very purple. Loving the pastels.